Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. So this is going to be its Microsoft's fault video concerning Windows 11. So we saw the statistics from the global stats counter, and it shows us that now Windows 11 has passed the 30% mark. It's almost at 31%, which is interesting when you consider that Windows 11 is now almost 3 years old. I mean, times really fly. I can't believe that it's at 3 years already. It almost seems like Windows 11 was introduced yesterday when I think about it. And it barely is more than 31%. 3 years. That's not a very fast pace for adoption rate, for sure. Once again, part of this is probably the minimum requirements. It's been a long time since getting a new operating system also meant for a lot of people getting a new PC. We got used to Windows 7 going to Windows 10 easily, and Windows 8 going to Windows 10 easily for free, which meant that PCs' lives were really extended with that. If Windows 10 would have asked a minimum requirement that meant all Windows 7 users needed to buy a new PC, of course the adoption rate of Windows 10 would have slowed down. But since it was free and didn't require, there's a lot of adoption that went through the free upgrade. But then again, we have to remember that the majority of the numbers we see come from new PCs. And if you consider that the majority of numbers come from new PCs, it means new PC sales with Windows 11 didn't go very well. I bet you that for quite a while, actually users would go out and buy a PC and say, hey, can I have Windows 10 on it? Because maybe they were used to that. Or maybe they were told that it was better. That's the other thing. There's such negativity around Windows 11 that even if some people purchased a new PC, that new PC maybe went with Windows 10 for a while. And I mean, that PC could be a PC that's compatible with Windows 11, but yet people got it with Windows 10 or wanted it with Windows 10. And maybe a lot of people not just wanted it with Windows 10, but maybe a lot of guys, that would sell PCs kind of told everybody, well, you're better off with Windows 10. Windows 11 is full of problems. So all of that is Microsoft's fault once again, because Microsoft can't do things right, the minimum requirements, okay, it's there. It did play a role, but also you got to remember that the failure of Microsoft to be able to communicate with us is also one of the biggest reasons for Windows 11 taking so much time to move on. So how much of Windows 11 will be on the market by the end of this year? It's going to be interesting. At the speed that they're going right now, it's, we've got August, September, October, November, and December, which is 5 months. And at the speed, if the speed of Windows 11's adoption continues to the pace that it's now in the past 3 months, I would easily see Windows 11 near the 40% mark by December. Maybe in January when we do the numbers, we'll be at 40%. It's not that big of a jump, 9%, and there could be a adoption rate that goes faster. So we'll see what happens. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.